Welcome to my channel. How to find changed NETGEAR router login password. Step 1. Connect to router. Connect your device to NETGEAR Wi-Fi network. You can also use LAN cable for stable connection. Step 2. Open browser, open Chrome, Edge, or any browser. Make sure internet is working properly. Step 3. Enter login URL. Type www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Press enter to open login page. Step 4. Log into router. Enter username, admin, enter password, use custom details if already changed. Step 5. Access dashboard. Router control panel will open. Here you can manage all settings. Step 6. Go to Advanced tab. Click on Advanced option from top menu. This section has all main settings. Step 7. Open Administration. Click Administration option, then select Set Password. Step 8. Verify current password. Enter your current login password. This step is for security verification. Step 9. Create new password. Enter a strong new password. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple passwords like 123456. Step 10. Save changes. Click Apply button. Your new login password will be updated. Thanks for watching.